Pulling information today from all these different resources we have is invaluable. We need to learn how to do that, and informatics shows you how to do that in many different ways. So instead of computer science where you go in-depth into programming, informatics can go into how to pull information using programming or using other technologies available as well.
So the informatics program at ASU is one of our newest programs. It's in one of the what's projected to be very high demand fields. Informaticians are going to be the people that connect businesses and individuals with information in the future, and in a way that they can make very informed decisions very quickly.
The informatics program has a focus on how to use computing technologies to solve the world's problems. And so we want people who are interested in problems first and know they need the information technology to be effective at solving those problems. And so whether it's solving more competitiveness for industry, whether it's trying to solve sustainability problems of society, or whether it's trying to improve human health, these are all problems where major amounts of data are being used to change how we solve these problems, how we learn about the various issues affecting society.
Informatics is not a field where you're sitting by yourself in front of a computer all day. It's one where you are always going to be working with groups of people with different skill sets. You can find ways to take your own passion, connect that passion to other people to actually create and do things that make a difference in the world.
Pulling information from things I never thought I could pull information from, running studies, doing research, all these things were very, very interesting to me. And then on top of that, there's 4 different focus areas you can go into. Game informatics, which is focusing on game design, video game development, digital culture, which is like, media, going into the media arts, how it applies to computers, the different kind of interactions you can have there. Enterprise, which is solving more business, real world aspects. And then the geoinformatics, which deals a lot with like GIS information systems.
Informatics is about how people use computational tools. We study the process, we try to improve the process. It's all about the mix of people and computation. So you interact with computer stuff all day long. We view our students as being multidisciplinary and therefore multiply employable, and transporting ideas from one sector of the industry to another.
Think about the past. All information was probably found in books, and the interface between a person and the information was either the book or the library or something like that. And today all the information is now on computers, and we're also acquiring information at a rate that's never happened before in history. And so we need people who are able to help us access, process, present the information in a way that's useful for us in whatever context that we're using it in.